What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And as you can see, I'm at a different location. We're at the meet, just getting here. We all just rolled up together. No one else is here yet. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, so we're just kind of. It's supposed to be mostly the squad, kind of getting some new banners on and just getting a few homies together, so we can do some club stuff. So it may not be a crazy turnout for this one, but we got another one that's coming up that's supposed to be basically a show. So, but yeah, we'll go ahead and show you what we got here. All right, she's freshly cleaned, looking good, except for that height. All right, got the Sinister Ultima. Homie Derek. Definitely make sure you follow him. I'll put the link to the homies' Instagrams down below too. We got Justin over there. Alright, so we got more people pulling up. Got the homies pulling up. Got Ryan. We got some more people over there. I'm not sure what they're doing, but somebody pulled up playing loud music, got the attention of the cops. They saw the cops and then they just turned it down and the cops kept moving. Actually, he's over there. I can't zoom in, but you can probably see the lights. Possibly, but he's over there. Homie Brandon back on this side of town. That's pretty clean. Let me know what you guys think. So I don't know who this is, but very clean. Don't usually like to see the lights, but that is perfect. Perfect placement. Oh, and his bags.
Okay, got my attention now. Okay.
Pretty dope. Pretty dope. That's clean too. Is that a Supra? Man, I wanted to get one of them. Alright, so I noticed I did not end the video. The meet was a success. It was really a meet for the local chapters, Street Elegance, as well as introducing the new Lakeland president. So I'll go ahead and put a link to the homies' Instagrams down below. So definitely make sure you go ahead and give them a follow. But we'll be doing more meets between Orlando and Lakeland coming soon. So definitely stay tuned for that. But before we end the video, I want to go ahead and do the comment of the day. The comment of the day goes out to. And if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.